today I'm going to share with you how to make something that is a staple in every Bajan household. I dare say you can find it in every household in the Caribbean. What are we making? We're going to be making hot sauce. This condiment is used to elevate all kinds of dishes: hamburgers, hot dogs, grilled fish, fried chicken. You name it, you can use hot sauce to elevate it. You can find this in village delis, street vendors, fast food restaurants, and fine dining restaurants. You find this all over the place because it is that good. So let's go over the ingredients. We have about 15 Scotch bonnet peppers. Now these are really hot, so to prepare them, always use hand gloves to make sure you protect yourself. And I removed the stems and now they're ready. We have 2 medium-sized white onions. We have 18 cloves of garlic. We have 2 sticks of fresh turmeric. If you can't get fresh turmeric, you can use the powdered one, but I prefer the fresh one. Just remove a bit of the outside to reveal that beautiful orange color. And we also have the juice of 1 lime. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now sugar will help to regulate the heat, so we need to have 2 tablespoons of sugar. We have 3 tablespoons of mustard. This also improves the beautiful color that we're going to get. And we have about 3 pieces of cilantro. Now if you don't have cilantro and you can get something called shadow benny, you can definitely use that, but it's really difficult to get shadow benny. But if you can't get that, you can use cilantro. It's just as good. We have half of a cup of vinegar. We may not use all of it, we may just use a quarter of it, but we have half of a cup to start. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now it's time to put our Bajan hot pepper sauce together. We're going to put all of our ingredients into a food processor. It's always easier that way. It's time to process. Now we're going to add the remaining ingredients. Now be careful removing the top from your food processor because you're going to get that whiff of the pepper and it's going to be strong. If you have sinuses, it'll take care of that. So once we would have removed it, we're going to add the other ingredients and we're going to go again. Our hot pepper sauce is done. Just look at that consistency. Oh my goodness, you can smell the heat. My eyes, everything is going. So I'm going to remove the blade carefully. Rest this aside. Now we're going to take the hot sauce, pour it into a medium-sized pan, and we're going to put it on over the heat for about 10 minutes. This is just to bring everything together. And we're going to add our olive oil also at this stage. And we're going to put it on the stove. Our Bajan hot pepper sauce is done. Just look at that beautiful texture, the lovely color. You see the peaks of red from the Scotch bonnet peppers just coming through. I'll allow it to cool, and then we're gonna put it into a jar for storage. The perfect condiment for your hamburgers, hot dogs, or whatever you want to elevate. Bajan hot pepper sauce. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this Bajan recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other Bajan recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.